Safe production is the legal responsibility of enterprises, and it is also a social responsibility. Enterprises must establish safety procedures before shutdown and maintenance, and install the SAFETY LOTO device at the energy isolation device point according to the procedures to prevent accidental energy supply, start or storage energy release, so as to prevent injury to employees. Does your enterprise lockout and takeout management process also have the following problems? Lack of visual management of locks. Easily lost, misplaced. Storage lacks systematic management. Lack of visual management of work ticket. In order to meet the management needs of enterprise lockout and takeout systems, we developed and designed this lockout and tagout process control information board. Let's take a look at the entire lockout and tagout process. When the equipment maintenance time is up, send a maintenance application to the office. The office initiates a maintenance task work order to the LOTO Safety Department. LOTO Safety Department evaluates the maintenance risk and puts the work order back to the information board after confirming the signature. The supervisor of the security officer initiates the lockout and tagout job ticket and submits it to the office for confirmation. The supervisor of the security officer convenes the security officer, the maintenance department, and the supervision department to confirm the location of the isolation point and communicate the operation content. The security officer goes to the lockout control center of the equipment workshop to receive the handbag and equipment lockout, and take the handbag to the equipment maintenance office to perform the locking task. After the device is locked, bring the key back to the lockout center. After the security officer completes the lockout, he puts the key of the device lock into the designated lockout station, number 1 after another. After the supervisor confirms that all equipment is locked, lock the lockout station, notify the maintenance department for maintenance. The maintenancier first goes to the personal lockout station and receives a personal yellow padlock. The maintenance staff successively lock the lockout station number 1. After the maintenance staff finishes their work, they unlock the lockout stations respectively. After unlocking, the maintenancer will return the personal lock to the lockout center. After the supervisor confirms that everyone is unlocked, he will notify the security officer to check and accept. The safety officer confirms that the machine is intact and all personnel are in a safe position, and removes all lockout devices or tagout devices. Unlock the equipment, confirm that the equipment is operating normally, and complete the maintenance work. The security officer returns the device lockout and personal lockout bag to the lockout center, and confirm the signature on the maintenance work order in the LOTO information board. The security officer informed the office that the lockout and tagout have been lifted. In order to help enterprises better manage safety lockout, we have customized a variety of combinations for enterprises. Solution 1. There is no lockout in the main control center, but there is lockout in the sub-control center. Solution 2. The main control center has lockout, but the sub-control center has no lockout. Solution 3. The main control center and the sub-control center have lockout. Solution 4. No main control center. The main control center is generally set up in the office area, and the sub-control center is set up in the equipment site, which can make lockout more convenient, efficient management, and orderly operation. The lockout station combination can be adjusted according to requirements, and can be copied infinitely to expand the number of management. More combinations are waiting for you to unlock. For lockout solution customization and safety lockout selection, please visit the official website, www.bozzy's.com.